Okay, so here you can find some certain types of staircase, monolithic staircase, precast staircase, you can select here. And in the components, you can find the various components, various types of staircase. You have to select those things, and you can directly place it without drawing. Okay, then click on finish. Okay, so some of you have asked that how to place a staircase inside the building. That's just like duplex. Okay, if you are having duplex, then you definitely have to place a staircase inside the building. Okay, inside the house. So simple thing. Let me place a staircase here. I'm just removing this sofa. So I am placing the staircase in this area. Okay, so let me place the staircase of spiral case. Okay, for this the default one itself, it is taking the 1852 done with. Okay, let us change the type and then you can proceed with the required run width. Okay, this is a staircase, and then click on finish. Let us see it in 3D view. So for the time being, let me hide this roof. To hide this roof, select the roof and then right click on hide in view elements. The roof will be hidden. So look at this. Now we have placed the staircase inside the building. Okay, inside the room. Okay. So now let me unhide the roof. Reveal hidden elements. Click on here reveal hidden elements option, which is present below, and then select the hidden element. Click on unhide element and click on toggle reveal hidden mode. Okay. So now you can see this is the staircase. Now I want to create the opening in the roof. Okay. For the staircase, I want to create the opening in the roof. So for that purpose, simply open the ground level. Okay. So listen carefully. This is very important topic, and it is also a little bit confusing. So creating the opening in the roof. Okay, vertical opening, nothing but shaft opening here. So click on shaft openings, and you can able to find this draw tools. So with this draw tools, we need to draw the opening. So this is our downwards. This is our downwards. Here we no need of opening, but at near this upwards. So this region. So this, as a person goes on up, so the roof will obstruct him. So we need the opening in this portion, right? In this portion we need the opening. So let us create the opening. I'm just choosing this pickaxe tool, and from this part I need the opening. I'm starting opening, and I'll just draw the opening in our own shape. We can draw the opening. Okay, drawing the opening is our wish. In our own shape we can draw the openings. Okay, so this is the opening. I have created the opening. So whatever the thing drawn I have drawn, that I'll get the opening in the roof. Then click on finish. It should also be connective, and then it should also be closed loop. Then click on 3D. You can see here you have got this region. Okay, by using this we can adjust the opening height. Okay, it will cut the vertical portions. It will cut. Look at this. Now we have created the opening. Okay, so to attach this to the roof, just adjust the number of stairs in. Okay, this is how we can create the openings. And here in this part, in this region, we need to apply create the railings here. Okay, here we need to, on the floor, on the roof, we need to assign the railings. Okay, we need to assign the railings on the roof. This is how we can create vertical openings. So not only here, even if you don't have any staircase, if you want to create just opening in the roof, okay, you can create the openings. For suppose here in the dining area, I just want the opening. Okay, so I'll go to shaft opening, and with the help of this draw tools here, so whatever the shape we require to be open, okay, you can go with that shape. It should be closed and should be connective. This thing we have to keep in our mind. Okay, this is a opening I just want. Okay, then click on 3D view. Look at this. Now we have the opening here. So look at this. If we extend this opening here, it will cut the floor as well. Okay, look at this. It will cut the floor as well. It has cutted the floor as well. So we have to adjust this area region to be open. Okay, by using this arrow marks. Now it is fine. Okay, we have opening here. So this is how we have to create the opening in the roof. Okay, is it clear? Creating the openings in the roof. For suppose if you want to draw, if you don't want to draw the building in the first floor, okay, you want to draw the building in the first floor, you have to create first floor level. Okay, and first thing I'll just delete this railings, and I'll go with drawing the walls. So suppose the same walls, whatever the walls you have taken in the ground level, the same walls I just want. So I'm choosing its type. Okay, basic 225 mm masonry it is. Go to first floor level, select the wall, basic 225 mm masonry. Okay, and then I'll just select this pickaxe tool, and here let us select finish face exterior. Okay, so now let's go with changing this type, and now it is okay. It will exactly place the walls. We can perform trim or extend for even walls as well. Select the wall, you can trim this extended portion of wall. Okay, can go with the planning as per a requirement, as we have done in the ground floor. In this also we can go with the planning. Okay. So here in light color we can get the references of bottom floor. Okay. Let us see in, let me draw the storefront wall. In this wall here, I'm just drawing the storefront wall. Let us see it in 3D view. Now look at this. So this is not unconnected. Here you have to give second floor. For this wall, we have to keep second floor. Go to elevation, any elevation. Select everything and go for filter. Filter only the walls. Okay. Keep only walls in the selection. And then change the top constraint to second floor. Bottom constraint to first floor and second top constraint to second floor. Okay. Let us see it in 3D view. Okay, for this also we need to create the roof in the same manner. You need to keep it in second floor, first floor level. Okay, and then click on roof. So if you want sloped roof, you can click on define slope and then select any method of draw tool and then check the boundaries. Okay, then click on finish. Let us see in 3D view. So here the roof will be placed at exactly there. So let us change it to second floor, the base level to the second floor. Okay, now you can observe we have placed the roof. And the same in the same columns, if I want to place the same columns in the same position in the first floor as well, so select those columns and click on copy to clipboard. Click on copy to clipboard and just go to paste, align to selected levels and then select the level. So I just want to place it on first floor, so I'm selecting first floor. Click on OK. Got it? Now if you want to place a railing here, same thing, go to second floor, first floor level. Okay, select railings and specify the offset. Can go with drawing. Then click on finish. Let us see it in 3D view. Okay. Yeah, this is how to create openings and in the roof, and how to create the plan, how to draw the walls in the other floors, other levels, okay, other than ground level, how to create walls in the other levels. I hope it is clear. So for today, we'll wind up the class until this topic.